Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's topic is all about inequalities in one triangle and in two triangles. So remind ko lang kayo na inequalities ang ginagamit nating symbol dito ay ang greater than, less than. Okay, greater than or equal or less than or equal. So our objectives for our topic is number one, state the theorem on triangle inequalities, exterior angle inequality, and hinge theorem. Number two, illustrate the theorem on triangle inequalities, exterior angle inequality, and hinge theorem. Lastly, develop positive attitude towards work. So let's differentiate first. What is the difference between exterior and interior? Kapag sinabi nating exterior, ito ba ay nasa loob or nasa labas? Okay, kapag sinabi nating exterior, ito po ay nasa labas. And kapag sinabi naman nating interior, ito ay nasa loob. Okay, magagamit po natin yung mga words na yan mamaya sa ating lesson. Next, let's compare the following. So, kapag nagko-compare tayo, gumagamit tayo ng mga symbol na greater than, less than, and also equal. So, 1 is blank than 4. So, our answer here is 1 is less than 4. Next is 50 is blank than 20. 50 is greater than 20. 100 is blank than 100. So, this is equal. Okay? Okay. So, let's observe the given figure below. Itong figure na ito. So, here is the question. What are the interior angles of the given triangle? So, ano daw yung interior angle? Kapag sinabi nating interior, ito po ay nasa loob. Ano daw po yung mga interior angle sa loob ng given triangle? By the way, we have a triangle A, B, C. So, ang interior angle po ay angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Kasi sila yung mga angle na nasa loob. Okay? So, next question. We have, what are the exterior angles of the given triangle? O kapag sinabi naman natin exterior, ito yung nasa labas. Exterior angle, kapag sinabi natin exterior angle, angle na nasa labas ng triangle. So, ano-ano ba yon? Meron tayong angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. They are the exterior angles. Next question. How will you describe the exterior angle? So, dito na papasok yung definition of exterior angle of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is an angle that forms a linear pair with an, an interior angle of a triangle is extended. So, sa madaling salita, yung isang side ng triangle, kapag nag-extend yun, doon tayo magkakaroon ng exterior angle. Ay, katulad na lang nito. Yung mga sides ng triangle, kapag in-extend yan, halimbawa ito, si segment AB, kapag in-extend natin yung line na yan, no, magkakaroon tayo ng exterior angle. Okay? So, another definition about exterior angle inequality theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its remote interior angles. Okay, so sabi dito sa exterior angle inequality theorem na ang exterior angle daw ng isang triangle ay mas greater than doon sa kanyang mga remote interior angles. So, tingnan natin tong triangle na to. Triangle ACT. Our exterior angle here is angle 4. Okay, kasi nasa labas siya. So, ano ba yung remote interior angle ni angle 4? No, ang remote interior angle ni angle 4 ay angle 2 and angle 3. Ito po ay nasa opposite side kung saan nakapwesto yung ating exterior angle. Okay? Opposite, ibig sabihin katapat. Ang katapat ni angle 4 ay si angle 3 at si angle 2. Okay? Hindi pwede si angle 1 kasi ito ay kanyang katabi. Okay? So, ang kanyang remote interior angle ay 3 at 2. Okay? So, sinasabi na ang exterior angle ay greater than sa kanyang dalawang remote interior angle. Okay? So, para makuha natin ang measure ng ating exterior angle, we need to add the two remote interior angle. So, para makuha natin si angle 4, kailangan natin ma-add si angle 2 at si angle 3. So, we have angle 4 equals angle 2 plus angle 3. So, sabi nga sa ating theorem, nagmas greater than si exterior angle. So, we have angle 4 is greater than angle 2. Angle 4 is greater than angle 3. Angle 3 is less than angle 4. Angle 2 is less than angle 4 based sa ating exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, gets po? So, let's have the figure number 2. Let's observe the figure here. We have triangle A, B, C. Segment AB, may measure siya na 4. Segment BC, may measure siya na 5. Si segment AC, may measure siya na 3. Okay, so here is the question. What is the sum of the lengths of AB and AC? Pag-add natin yung segment AB, segment AC. So, 4 plus 3 is 7. Next question. Compare the sum of the lengths of AB and AC to BC. So, i-compare daw natin yung sagot kanina kay segment BC. So, meron tayong 7 is blank than 5. Is it greater than or less than? It is greater than. 7 is greater than 5. Okay, next question. What is the sum of the length of AB and BC? AB and BC. Ano daw ang sagot? Kapag pinag-add si AB at BC, we have 4 plus 5, we have 9. Okay? Compare the sum of the lengths of AB and BC to AB. Okay. So we have AC to. AC. This is AC. Okay. Compare the sum of the lengths of AB and BC to AC. So we have 9 is blank than 3. Is it less than or greater than? 9 is greater than 3. Okay, next we have what is the sum of the length of AC, AC, and BC? We have 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, compare the sum of the lengths of AC and BC to AB. So the measure of AB is 4. 8 is blank than 4. 8 is greater than 4. Okay. What can you say about the sum of the two sides of a triangle compared to its third side? So, ano yung na-observe nyo kapag pinag-add natin yung two side ng triangle at i-compare natin siya sa third side ng triangle. Napansin nyo na lahat ng sum ay greater than doon sa third side ng triangle. Okay, so this is we call triangle inequality postulate. The length of a side of a triangle is less than the sum of the lengths of the other two sides. The length of one side is also greater than the positive difference of the lengths of the other two sides. So, sa madaling salita, kapag pinag-add natin yung dalawang side ng triangle at kapag i-compare natin yon sa pangatlong side ng triangle, mas greater than yung sum kesa doon sa natitirang side ng triangle. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple yung triangle inequality postulate. So, let's have this. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Okay? So we have triangle PIN. So meron tayong triangle PIN. Side PI, segment PI plus segment IN is greater than segment PN. Segment IN plus segment NP is greater than segment PI. Segment NP plus segment PI is greater than segment IN. Okay? Gets po? That's how triangle inequality works. Inequality postulate works. Next, we have number 3, observe the given triangles below. We have two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle CEF. So the measure of AB is 9, the measure of AD is 10, and we have the included angle A, 56 degree. Next triangle, we have the measure of CE is 9, and the measure of CF is 10, and the included angle, which is angle C, 50 degree. So here is the question. What are the congruent sides? So ano daw po yung congruent side? So we have segment BA is congruent to segment EC because they have the same measure. Another side na congruent, segment AD is congruent to segment CF. Okay, because they have the same measure. Next question. What have you noticed on the included angles of the two triangles? 56 degrees and 50 degrees. They are not congruent. So, angle A is not congruent to angle C, or angle A is greater than angle C. Okay? Because 56 is greater than 50. Next question. What conclusion can you make about the opposite sides of the included angles of the two triangles? Are they congruent? Which side is longer? So, dito papasok si hinge theorem. If two sides of a triangle are congruent to the sides of the another triangle, but their included angles are not, then the remaining sides are unequal. The longer side is opposite the larger angle. So, sabi dito na kapag daw yung dalawang side ng triangle ay congruent doon sa side ng isa pang triangle, pero hindi congruent yung kanilang included angle, then yung natirang side doon sa dalawang triangle ay unequal. So, yung longer side daw, masasabi natin na longer side yung side ng isang triangle kapag ang opposite angle niya ay mas malaki or larger. Kapag shorter side naman, ang opposite side niya ay ang smallest angle. So, balik tayo dito sa question. So, which side is longer? Which side? Is it uh, segment BD or segment EF? So the longer side is segment BD because the opposite angle of segment BD is 56 degrees, and 56 degree is greater than 50 degrees. So si segment EF ay ang shorter side than segment BD. Okay. So let's have this example. Fill the blanks with the correct relation symbol greater than or less than to show the relationship. So we have triangle dog, DOG. The measure of DO is 25. The measure of OG is 56. And the measure of DG is 40. So number 1, measure of angle D is blank than measure of angle O. So paano natin malalaman? Titingnan natin yung opposite side nila. Okay? Ang opposite side ni angle D ay 56. Ang opposite side ni angle O ay 40. So, therefore, we conclude that measure of angle D is greater than measure of angle O because 56 is greater than 40. Number 2, angle D, measure of angle D is blank than measure of angle G. So the opposite side of angle D is 56 and the opposite side of angle G is 25. So the answer here is 56 greater than 25. So angle D is greater than angle G. Number 3, measure of angle O is blank than measure of angle G. So the opposite side of angle O is 40. The opposite side of angle G is 25. Okay, so angle O is greater than angle G because 40 is greater than 25. Okay, next we have angle G is blank than angle O. So the opposite side of angle G is 25. The opposite side of angle O is 40. So 25 is is less than angle O. 25 is less than 40. Next, we have number 5. Measure of angle O is blank than measure of angle D. Okay? The opposite side of angle O is 40 and the opposite side of angle D is 56. So, angle O is less than angle D because 40 is less than 56. Okay? Next, letter B. So, ang given naman is yung mga angle. And then, i-compare natin yung mga sides. The larger the angle of the opposite side, it has a longest side. Okay? The larger angle, the longest side. So, we have triangle BOK, triangle BOK. The measure of angle B is 65 degree. The measure of angle O is 55 degree. And the measure of angle K is 60 degree. So, number 1, segment BO is blank than OK. So, the opposite angle of BO is 60. And the opposite angle of OK is 65. So, 60 is less than 65. Therefore, BO is less than OK. So, next, number 2, we have OK is blank than BK. So, the opposite angle of OK is 65 and the opposite angle of BK is 55. So 65 is greater than 55. So therefore, OK is greater than BK. BK is blank than OK. Okay? BK, the opposite angle of BK is 55 and the opposite angle of OK is 65. So 55 is less than 65. So therefore, BK is less than segment OK. So next, letter C. Is it possible for a triangle to have sides with the length indicated? So, pwede natin magamit dito si triangle inequality postulate na kung saan kapag pinag-add natin yung ah, dalawang side ng triangle at kapag greater than yung sum na yon doon sa third side ng triangle. So, our answer is yes. If not, then no. So, let's try number 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is greater than 5. So, pwede. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is greater than 4. So, pwede. Check. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is greater than 3. So, the answer here is yes. Number 2, we have 8 plus 7. We have 15. 15 is greater than 10. Okay? 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 is greater than 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 is greater than 7. So, yes. Number 3, we have 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is greater than 6. Okay? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. And 5 plus 6 is 11. And 11 is greater than 2. So the answer here is also yes. Next, letter D. Okay, we have triangle FUN, fun. We have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 as interior angle, and angle 4 as exterior angle. So we can use the exterior angle inequality theorem. Number 1, measure of angle 2. Measure of angle 2 is blank than measure of angle 4. We have, since the angle 2 ay remote interior angle ni exterior angle 4, so this is less than. Next, number 2, measure of angle 1 is blank than measure of angle 4. So same as number 1, si angle 1 ay remote interior angle ni angle 4. So angle 1 is less than the measure of angle 4. Number 3, angle 4 is blank than measure of angle 2. Since si angle 4 ay exterior angle, it is greater than. Measure of angle 4 is greater than measure of angle 2. Okay, so this is your activity. Please answer this on your notebook. Name the largest and the smallest angle of the triangle. Number 1 and number 2, you can use here the hinge theorem. Also in 3, 4, and 5. Here, fill the blank with the correct relation symbol, a greater than and less than to show the relationship. You can use here the exterior angle inequality theorem. So that's all for our lesson. I hope you're learning.